हेलो बच्चों, वेलकम। स्टैंडर्ड 10th, chapter number 8, Introduction to Trigonometry. Last period we was discuss the trigonometric identities, trigonometric functions and trigonometric ratios. Now today we learn exercise 8.4, example number 5, because last period we was discuss exercise 8.4, example of 1 to 4. Now that example number 5 is what? Prove that the following identities, where the angle involve the acute angle for which the expression are defined. अब आपको यहाँ पे एंगल आइडेंटिटीज प्रूव करनी है. दिस टाइप ऑफ एग्जांपल्स यू कैन प्रूव दैट लेफ्ट हैंड side equal to right hand side in type of format. That first example is what? Cos theta minus cot theta whole square is equals to 1 minus cos theta upon 1 plus cos theta. So this is an example number first in 5 exercise 8.4. Take it, we can solve that cos theta minus cosec theta minus cot theta whole square equals to 1 minus cos theta upon 1 plus cos theta. So prove that cosec theta minus cot theta whole square is equals to 1 minus cos upon 1 plus cos. We can take it always left hand side. What is left hand side? That is cosec theta minus cot theta whole square, and take it left hand side, we can solve and it will be equal to right hand side. We can take it left hand side equals to what? Cosec theta minus cot theta bracket whole square. Here cosec theta and cot theta, that first you can simply squaring x minus y square and you can solve, but it is a very simplest method is what? Convert all this form into basic function, that is sine and cos. So convert cosec in term of sine and cot in term of cos and sine. We know that the formula is that cosec theta equals to 1 by sine theta, cot theta equals to cos theta by sine theta. So I can write 1 by sine theta minus cos theta by sine theta whole square. Now check it. Here denominator is same. This is an rational number of format, 1 by sine, that is numerator upon denominator form. 1 upon sine theta minus cos upon sine theta. Sine theta denominator is same. So we can solve that subtraction of a fraction. That is, take a sine theta is common of denominator and that numerator subtraction, that is 1 minus cos theta upon sine theta whole square. So this is 1 minus cos theta upon sine theta whole square. Take, this is the numerator and denominator whole square. So we can subtract or we can separate the square, that is 1 minus cos theta whole square upon sine theta whole square, that 1 minus cos theta square upon sine square theta. Now as we know the identities, sine square theta plus cos square theta equals to 1. Then subtract cos square in term of second, that is cos square is plus, we can shift on that side, that is 1 minus cos square. Then sine square equals to 1 minus cos square theta. You can use this value in term of here, that sine square theta equals to 1 minus cos square theta. Then our side is 1 minus cos theta whole square and put up the sine theta value. Sine square is 1 minus cos square. Now again the identity is a square minus b square equals to a minus b and a plus b. As you know that if squaring and subtraction of that formula, then that algebraic identity says that in first bracket the two terms having subtraction and two terms having addition. So use that 1 square is 1 and cos square. So I can write here in term of here is what? 1 minus cos theta and second bracket 1 plus cos theta. So put up here that 1 minus cos theta square upon 1 minus cos theta 1 plus cos theta. Now check it, square and it is again 1 minus cos theta, it will be cancelled. Then remaining what? 1 minus cos theta in numerator and 1 plus cos theta it is in denominator. And this is an our right hand side. So 1 minus cos theta upon 1 plus cos theta equals to right hand side, and that equals to left hand side equals to right hand side. That cos theta, cosec theta minus cot theta whole square equals to 1 minus cos theta upon 1 plus cos theta. This type of functions or this type of identities when we want to prove, then just convert these terms or these identities in terms of sine and cos and then solve as like a algebraic equation, algebraic examples. That for solving the identities, you must know that the formulas of trigonometric and also algebraic. If you know that, then it is a very simple examples to prove that. Question number 2 in same here it is cos theta upon 1 plus sin cos A upon 1 plus sin A plus 1 plus sin A upon cos A is equal to 2 sec A. Now here again right hand side, left hand side both are here. We want to prove that this left hand side equals to right hand side. Now check it. Cos A 1 plus sin A, 1 plus sin A cos A. Take a left hand side. Then left hand side we can write here as cos A upon 1 plus sin A plus 1 plus sin A upon cos A. Now check it. This is then same as again fraction addition. So cos into cos, take a multiple, numerator and denominator. Again this 1 plus sin A into 1 plus sin A again upon 1 plus sin A into cos A. Same as the fraction addition. Solve this. So that is cos into cos, cos square plus 1 plus sin A into 1 plus sin A, 1 plus sin A whole square upon 1 plus sin A into cos A. So I can write here cos square A plus 1 plus sin A whole square upon cos A plus 1 plus sin A. As we know that x plus y square is what? X plus y square is equals to x square plus y square plus twice xy. Then as we can solve x square plus twice xy plus y square, use this identity in here. Then it is equals to what? 1 square is 1. 2 into first term into second term. 2 into first term that is 1, that is 2 into second term sin A, that is 2 sin A, and sin A whole square is what? Sin square A upon denominator is same. Now check it. Cos square A and sin square A, that is cos square A plus sin square A, that is identity say that I can write here cos square A plus sin square A plus 1 plus 2 sin A upon cos A 1 plus sin A. Cos square A plus sin square A equals to 1 plus 1 plus 2 sin A upon denominator is same. 1 plus 1 that is 2 plus 2 sin A upon cos A into denominator is same. Now check it. 1 plus 1 2 plus 2 sin A cos A and 1 plus sin A. Now can I common from numerator? Which term is common? Here is 2, here is 2, so I can take it 2 upon 2 in bracket. What remaining? When 2 is outside, so it is left with 1. 2 is outside, only left is sin A upon cos A 1 plus sin A. Sin A 1 plus sin A get cancelled because numerator is the same term. What remaining? 2 by cos A. 1 by cos, you know that since 1 by cos is equals to sec A. Then 2 by cos, that I can write here 2 sec A. This is your right hand side. Hence proof. That is simple proof that we can just solve that cos A upon 1 plus sin A, 1 plus sin A upon cos A is equals to 2 sec A. Question number 3 as same as here. That tan theta upon 1 minus cot theta 1 plus cot theta upon 1 minus tan theta is equals to 1 plus sec theta cosec theta. So as here is we give the hint that expression in term of sin theta and cos theta. I was say always that every left hand side when they are not given in sin and cos, so convert sin and cos from. So tan theta is equals to what? Sin theta upon cos theta. Cot theta is again convert as cos theta upon sin theta. Put up and cross multiple as like a same example number 2 and solve this. It is will be into right hand side. Question number 4 is again I will take it what? 1 plus sec A upon sec A is equals to sin square A upon 1 minus cos A. We will do it now. Now question number 4 is prove that 1 plus sec A upon sec A is equals to sin square A upon 1 minus cos A. Take left hand side. That what is left hand side? 1 plus sec A upon sec A. I can write here. Now this is not in term of sin and cos form. So convert in term of sin and cos. So what remaining? That is equals to 1 plus sec means what? 1 by cos upon sec, that is 1 by cos. Now solve this. 1 into 1, that is cos A plus 1 upon cos A upon 1 by cos A. That cos A plus 1 upon cos A, and this is in reverse multiple, that is cos A upon 1. Now it will be cancelled. So remaining is what? 1 plus cos A. Now as in right hand side, we want to what? Our denominator is 1 minus cos A and numerator is sin square A. So for we want to denominator is 1 minus cos A, I can multiple as 1 minus cos A upon 1 minus cos A. Then that what happen? 1 plus cos A into 1 minus cos A upon 1 minus cos A. So since the identity is what? X minus y, x plus y is equals to what? X square minus y square. Then it is equals to 1 minus 1 plus cos, 1 minus cos. This is what? 1 minus cos square A upon 1 minus cos A. Then 1 minus cos square, that is equals to sin square A upon 1 minus cos A, and this is your right hand side, because sin square equals to what? 1 minus cos square A, or sin square plus cos square equals to 1. We can prove or we can use this identity in previous example. That is very simple identity, that it can be very simplest way. Just put up in term of sin and cos and just solve. Here we want to denominator is 1 minus cos, so multiple and denominator numerator by 1 minus cos. Then 1 plus cos, 1 minus cos, that identity is x square minus y square, 1 minus cos square, 1 minus cos square equals to sin square, and hence prove. Next example 5. Example 5 says that cos A minus sin A plus 1 upon cos A plus sin A minus 1 is equals to cosec A plus cot A. And here the hint is what? Using the identity is what? Cosec square A equals to 1 plus cot square A. So that you can use that identity is cosec A into cot A. So first convert left hand side in term of sin and cosec and cot. Example number 5 is, we can take it the left hand side, that is cos A minus sin A plus 1 upon cos A plus sin A minus 1. Now convert this left hand side in term of cosec and cot. So cosec gives as and cot gives as cos by sin, it will be cot, and 1 by sin, it will be cosec. So divide numerator and denominator by sin A. Then that equals to what? Cos A by sin A minus sin A by sin A plus 1 by sin A upon cos A by sin A plus sin A by sin A minus 1 by sin A. Now solve this. Cos A by sin A, this is then cot A minus 1 plus cosec A upon cos A by sin A cot A plus 1 minus cosec A. Then I can write here what? Cot A plus cosec A minus 1 upon cot A minus cosec A plus 1. So you know that the identity that cot square A minus cosec square A equals to 1. Since cosec square A minus cot square A equals to 1, use here. Then cot A plus cosec A minus cosec square A minus cot square A upon cot A minus cosec A plus 1. Now x square minus y square identity, that is x minus y, x plus y. So you can use here that cot A plus cosec A minus cosec A minus cot A, then second bracket cosec A plus cot A upon cot A minus cosec A plus 1. So cosec A plus cot A minus cosec A plus cot A and cosec A minus cot A. Now cosec A plus cot A here and here is common. Then I can take it common. That is common term cosec A plus cot A. It will be here. What remaining? Here 1 minus cosec and cot A. It will be outside. So what remaining? Simply cosec A minus cot A upon cot A minus cosec A plus 1. So remaining that cosec A cot A steady. Solve this. 1 minus cosec A minus minus plus cot A. Here I can write here again same that 1 plus 1 है minus cosec है and cot है, so it will be right here what 1 minus cosec A plus cot A. So that can be cancel numerator and denominator. Then remaining is what cosec A plus cot A, that equals to right hand side, and hence proof. It is just you want to show that because of the hint is given in convert in term of sine, cosec and cot. So we are given that converting all numerator denominator in term of cosec and cot. So divide each term of sine. Then when we get sine, then convert 1 in term of cosec and cot. Cosec square minus cot square A. Then solve as an algebraic identity, that x square minus y square. Take a common, it will be all cancel, and remaining answer is cosec A minus plus cot A, that is right hand side, hence proof. Next example is same as again. Number 6 is same. Under root of 1 minus 1 plus sin A upon 1 minus sin A equals to sec A plus tan A. So take left hand side, under root of 1 plus sin A, 1 minus sin A. When we show that, or when we seen that under root, then first term is what? Cancel the under root. So must taking the square. So multiple in a left hand side, multiple in numerator denominator form of 1 plus sin and 1 minus sin. So it will be all change and the answer will be given. Number 7 is same, that sin theta plus 2 sin cube theta upon 2 cos cube theta minus cos theta is equals to show that it equals to tan theta. Simply that when we seen that number 7, that sin theta minus 2 sin cube theta, here common take it sin, what remaining 1 minus 2 sin square. Again here is 1 will be given, that 1 minus 2 sin square. Here it taking common cos, then what remaining 2 cos square theta minus 1. Convert this cos in term of sin, that is 1 minus sin square. Then 1 minus sin square, it will be given that 1 numerator denominator is same, it will be all cancel, remaining of what simply sin upon cos, then it is tan will be given, right hand side is given. Number 7, that sin A plus cosec A square plus cos A plus sec A square is equals to 7 tan square A plus cot square A. It is very simple, that just prove that cosec A is equals to what? Convert in term of sin, then 1 by sin A, sin square A, and taking a square, x plus y square, x plus y square. Solve this identity, it will be easily given that 7 plus tan square A into cot square A. Number 9, that cosec A minus sin A, sec A minus cos A is equal to 1 by tan A plus cot A. Then it will be hint that simplify LHS and RHS is in separately. Separate solve करिए. cosec A को convert करिए 1 by sin A minus sin A, that is again 1 minus sin square A upon sin A. sec A को लिखिए 1 by cos A minus cos A, then 1 minus cos square A upon cos A, and it will be solved that simply cos square A into sin square A upon sin A cos A, cancel it, and simply remaining 1 by tan A and cot A. Number 10th, that equals to what? 1 minus tan square A upon 1 plus cot square A is equals to 1 minus tan A whole square, 1 minus cot A whole square equals to tan square A. We can take it simply way that when we take left hand side, that equals to what? 1 plus tan square upon 1 plus cot square. 1 plus tan square फार्मूला है आपका sec square A. 1 plus cot square फार्मूला है आपका cosec square A. That answer simply sec square को लिखा 1 by cos square, cosec को लिखा 1 by sin square. Solve this, 1 by cos square into sin square by A, sin square by cos square equals to tan square A. It is very simple proof, that equals to RHS, that 1 minus tan A upon 1 plus cot A whole square. We can write here cot A in term of 1 minus tan A. So 1 minus tan A upon 1 minus 1 by tan A. Solve this, subtraction of fraction, that is 1 minus tan A, that is 1 into tan A minus 1 upon tan A. Then we can write here that fraction of denominator, that is 1 minus tan A upon 1 into this tan A upon 1 minus tan a. We take a minus sign common, that 1 minus tan a, that will be cancel. What remaining? Minus of tan a. That is minus of tan a equals to whole square is equals to what? Tan square a. And this is your again RHS. So this is a very simplest proof. As in trigonometry, you must have the simple formulas, that addition identities, addition and algebraic identities also. If you all know that, then it is very simple proof, and it is most important proof for board purpose also. Maybe one examples it can be asked from these 10 examples. So these 10 examples are very important. You have to study well and you must have practice. Next period we can learn some application of trigonometry, the next chapter, chapter number 9. Till then, be safe, be ready, and do the practice of mathematics, trigonometry. Thank you. Goodbye.